Check the repaired asphalt shingle area within a few days after the first heavy rain to confirm the patch is weatherproof. After a shingle repair, perform a full visual inspection once a month for the next 3 months, and then every season, looking for lifted corners, missing granules, cracked sealant, or nails backing out. Walk the roof only if you are experienced and it is safe. Otherwise, use binoculars from the ground and a ladder spot check to avoid causing new damage. Check the repaired flashing and chimneys for new gaps by gently probing the sealant with a gloved finger to feel for softness or separation, and reapply roofing-grade caulk to any small voids using a continuous bead that you tool smooth with a putty knife. Clear gutters and downspouts after storms so water does not back up under the shingles and cause edge delamination. Remove debris by hand or with a scoop and flush with a hose pointing downhill. Inspect attic and ceiling interiors for new signs of moisture, staining, or mold that can indicate a hidden leak despite an apparently solid exterior repair. Use a flashlight to scan rafters and underside of sheathing. Record each inspection with date and notes or photos so you can spot progressive issues and provide a clear history to a contractor if follow-up work is needed. Common mistakes are walking the roof immediately after a repair, which can lift shingles or bruise granules and worsen the problem. So postpone foot traffic and use optics instead. Another issue is relying solely on surface appearance while missing failing underlayment or flashing. The fix is a targeted attic check and flexible sealant reapplication around penetrations where you find gaps. A third concern is using improper caulk or roofing cement that hardens and cracks. Always use a product rated for roofing use and follow manufacturer cure times and application temperature ranges to ensure a durable bond. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for roof repairs and ongoing upkeep, and helps contractors find projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where we share maintenance tips, ask questions, and compare local contractor experiences so we can all make better decisions.